video, I am showing you my office slash master bedroom and bathroom. So this is the entry to my master bedroom, and then right before you enter the bedroom, as you come up the stairs, there's a little area where I keep my office supplies. And as you can see, I just coordinated all the colors. So the little boxes below, I coordinated them with the flowers. And then this little portrait or piece of artwork that I picked up. And then I have these little containers where I keep my paper clips and so forth. And then my notepad. And then I picked up this poster and then I framed it. And then I have another one here, different poster, which I framed. And then I keep my calendar, and as you can see, my journal, all my colored pencils and pens, and my old computer that still works, so I will not be replacing it. And then you enter the master bedroom and it has these large cabinets, which I love. So we're able to put all of our towels and our sheets and everything in there. And then it has this archway. And then you come to this miserable recliner that my husband will not get rid of, and I absolutely hate, but this is our master bedroom, and so for that reason, we're gonna keep this in here until I can pray it away. So we're gonna eventually mount this TV on the wall. See, I'll open this up, but both of these doors open, so it lets in a lot of fresh air during the day. And here's another one of the pieces of artwork that I picked up, and I know it's pretty dark, so I hope you guys can see it. And I just added the white curtains on both sides. Plenty of pillows. And again, if you guys would like to know where I picked up any of this stuff, just let me know. And the lamps. Now, I think the lamps should be a little bit bigger, but they were the only blue lamps that I can find at the time. But I think they need to be have a little bit more height. So again, that's the master bedroom. I'm sorry, the master bed. And this is only a queen size. And then it's that ugly chair. And then let me turn on some lights in here so you guys can see why I kept with those colors. So if you haven't looked at my master bathroom video, I'm sorry, you can see with the greens and the golds in the master bathroom, that's why I kept with the greens and golds and the blues in the master bedroom. So it's pretty simple. I didn't want to doll it up too much because my husband does sleep in here. But I hope you guys like it. I always try to keep an extra blanket on the foot of the bed because I always get cold at night. So I just fold it up at the end of the bed for decoration, and if I need to use it, I could just grab it while I'm sleeping. ceiling fan. So I hope you guys like the video. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, just let me know. Again, this is Dana Dane coming to you guys with a master bedroom, bath,